Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple released iOS 11.2.5 Developer Beta 3. Now it's not yet out for public beta testers, but it might be soon. It came in at 130.6 megabytes on my 8 Plus, and let's take a look at the build number. The build number is 15D5049A, and this particular build, really there's only one thing I was able to find that's in it, and currently that's about it. Now, some people have told me there's actually a problem with this beta, especially on an iPhone 10. So if you're running the beta on a 10, you might notice some issues with audio. Some people have been having issues with popping or issues in earpods or AirPods. And if you have Bluetooth headphones, some people said it was resolved by disconnecting and reconnecting Bluetooth. So this beta is not done yet. It's not the final. And unfortunately, we don't see any iMessage and iCloud, and we don't see anything new with the battery. So the actual battery update that Apple said will be coming is not yet in this particular update, and they haven't pushed it to anything yet. So if you're not familiar with that, if you're having issues with your battery on older iPhones and you replace the battery, Apple's going to be updating the battery app or the battery notifications or something along those lines to let us know a little bit better when our battery is degrading. So that's an issue for I guess a later beta. One of the updates they actually added was the ability for your iPhone to read news to you based off of podcasts. So you can get news from CNN, Fox News, the Washington Post, and some others, and you actually have to use the Hey Siri command to get it to work. What is the news today? Let's try it again. Hey Siri, what is the news today? And I'll turn it down to avoid copyright, but basically you get the idea. So NPR, Fox News, CNN, and Washington Post, that's what's listed here. You can open podcasts that it's actually playing from, and that's pretty much it. Now, finally, I ran a Geekbench on this particular beta, and this one came in a little bit less than the previous one. So you'll see single core is 4,144, multi-core is 9,409. The previous one was a little bit higher, 10,397. So we have a significant dip in performance as far as the benchmarks are concerned on the multi-core score. What that really means in real everyday use isn't really too much, but I thought we'd just do that to see if it stays consistent and around what it was before. So that's it for this particular beta. Nothing as far as smoothness. There's not really any changes. Everything seems to be opening quickly. I have no problems with apps or anything, at least on the 8 Plus, and we'll check out what the final version is like on older devices as well. So I haven't forgotten those, iPhone 6 and newer. We'll check out those on some of the older devices. But if you've found anything else, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. I'll leave a link to the wallpaper in the description below, and thanks to Hafed Marzouk for sending this one along. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.